Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the EGG Genius app is and how it's positioned. According to the official Google Play and Apple App Store descriptions, the EGG Genius app is a companion platform designed to work with the EGG Genius Wi-Fi temperature controller used with big green egg grills. The official listing explains that the system allows users to remotely manage and monitor grill temperatures through a smartphone, tablet, or computer. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official product documentation, the app belongs to the smart grilling and temperature control category and is mainly intended for owners of compatible big green egg cooking devices. The official description states that users can monitor both grill temperature and food temperature directly from the mobile interface using connected thermometer probes. Another documented feature is real-time temperature monitoring with graphs that show how cooking temperatures change during a session. According to the official listing, the system can send alerts when food is finished cooking or when the grill temperature becomes too high or too low. The platform also includes automatic airflow control, where a variable speed blower adjusts oxygen to the charcoal to help maintain the target temperature. Another documented capability is a warm hold function that automatically lowers the grill temperature once the cooking process is complete. The official description also notes that the system can temporarily disable the fan when the grill dome is opened to avoid overfueling the fire. According to the documentation, the platform may also store data from previous cooking sessions so users can review temperature graphs and cooking history. For users interested in remotely monitoring grill temperatures and controlling a compatible big green egg cooker through a smartphone, this could be an option. This app may be useful for people who want more automated temperature management and cooking alerts when using supported big green egg grilling equipment. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.